There's so much to consider when talking about tires, and just when you think you have it all figured out, along comes nitrogen. So what's the difference between regular air and nitrogen, and why should it matter to you? Well, that's what we're going to figure out on today's Tech Tip Tuesday. There's a lot of information rolling around the internet about adding nitrogen to your tires instead of regular air. I'll touch base on some of the most frequently asked questions we hear at Ryan Honda, and hopefully that helps you decide whether you should be adding nitrogen to your tires or not. Here's what we know for sure. 1, you'll definitely see less leakage if you put nitrogen in your tires. Because nitrogen atoms are a tiny bit bigger than oxygen atoms, the nitrogen is less able to permeate rubber and escape from the tire. The math is complicated, but regular air escapes about 1.6 times faster than nitrogen. 2, you should have more consistent fuel economy. Having the correct tire pressure optimizes your fuel economy. Less leakage means more consistent tire pressure, which means more consistent fuel economy. Makes sense. 3, because of this consistent tire pressure, you should have more consistent handling. Who knew maintaining regular tire pressures could affect that? Finally, and most importantly, adding nitrogen to your tires reduces wear and tear on your wheels. Air contains water vapor, nitrogen does not. Water vapor will increase the pressure in your tire when it heats up and decrease the pressure when it cools down. This fluctuation is not good for your tires. Plus, water vapor can cause rusting inside the wheel or valve stem and can corrode the sensors, like your tire pressure monitor system. Now, before you start thinking that adding nitrogen to your tires is all rainbows and lollipops, there are some drawbacks. Cost and convenience are some of the most common things we hear at Ryan Honda. There's a nominal fee that's charged to add nitrogen to your tires, and you won't find a nitrogen filling station at every service shop. So, should you be adding nitrogen to your tires? That decision is up to you. I hope today's Tech Tip Tuesday helped you become a little bit more informed, and just know that Ryan Honda of Minot is always here to help if you need us.